Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your vehicle's alternator. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You'll need common socket sizes like 10, 12, and 14 millimeters, along with a ratchet and a breaker bar. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Then, locate your alternator. It's usually on the right side of the engine, just beneath the oil filler neck. Getting organized now will make the job much smoother. Now let's get that old alternator out. Begin by using a 14 millimeter socket and a breaker bar on the belt tensioner. Rotate it counterclockwise to release the tension, then carefully remove the serpentine belt, paying close attention to its path for later. Next, you'll need to disconnect the main charging cable, which has a 10 millimeter nut, and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Take your time with these connections. With the belt and wires out of the way, it's time to remove the old unit. You'll find two 14 millimeter mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove these. The old alternator might be a bit snug, so carefully wiggle it out of its spot. Now, take your new alternator and carefully maneuver it into position. Align it with the mounting holes and loosely thread in those two 14 millimeter bolts. We'll tighten them properly in the next step. We're almost done. Now, tighten those two 14 millimeter alternator mounting bolts to 16 foot-pounds. Reconnect all electrical harnesses and the main charging cable, securing its 10 millimeter nut. Carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's correctly routed around all the pulleys. Finally, reconnect your battery's negative terminal and start your vehicle to test the new alternator. You should see a healthy charging voltage, typically between 14 and 15 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.